Unromantic person. Both me, with an average, good memory, another winner. Speak well in public. Julia Plaza, good talking in public. I think that I can do it well because I'm a good calculator and I have some experience because the last year I was the treasurer of our college.
I've got good memory, I am a good listener, and I am tidy and polite and friendly. I also help the others, and I take decisions quickly. I speak well in public, and I am sure of myself. And I think that this year is possible that I can be the president. Hello, I'm Eva and I present my good abilities to the Giscon Green Castle Secretary.
I love the technology. I like share things with my friends. I'm lovely and polite. I'm great working with the team. I am funny. If I got one mistake, I can correct it. I work hard. I always can be the best for you.
That I'm good at giving orders and everything to say. I think that I'm very good with my self-esteem. When sometimes people will need help, I help them.
Hello, my name is Mario. I live in Bobsleigh and I want to be your secretary. Today, I will explain to you why I think that I'm the best candidate to do this place. One of the reasons is that I'm responsible, I'm friendly, I'm a good writer, I'm good at listening, and I'm organized. Hello, my name is Rares and I present my candidacy to be your president. First, I want to introduce myself as a president. I'm a person who likes maths and kind and brave. And I'm a person who can calculate and code very well. Like me. Thank you for your attention. Hello, I'm Arnau and I present treasurer. And I'm good at maths, good calculator, and very friendly. And I like the treasurer because I'm very funny, do maths. I'm a good listener. I'm very tidy and organized. I'm good at taking decisions, and I'm a good calculator. If I'm the KCC treasurer, I will be friendly and a good classmate. I will work hard.
I'm good at maths. I'm good calculator. I'm good calculator. I'm good.
Hello, I'm Martin and I will present treasurer. Why I want to be a treasurer? I would like to be a treasurer because I handle with the calculator and I good at maths and I will be a new experience and I'm fantastic. How does I organize? I will organize it in such a way that you are determined to be able to consume good attention.
Hello, my name is Joan and I want I'm a good listener, I'm a fantastic manager, and I'm not afraid of talking in public. What would I do if I were a president? I would help everybody that is needed. I will listen all opinions, and I will forward with this project. Vote me and help me. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, my name is Álvaro and I'm presented with treasure. I'm good at calculator, etc.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 11 years old and I want to be your secretary. I want to be your secretary because I think that I'm organized, I'm a good listener, I'm a good writer, and also friendly. And do not forget that if you need help, I am here. And if you need solutions, do not hesitate to call me. And I think that together we can make a big cooperative.
Hello, my name is Julia, and I'm present to be your treasurer. I want to be your treasurer because the last year in the cooperative, it was the best labor for me. I'm good at maths, our calculator, responsibility, I'm funny, and I'm good at speaking in public. I can do it very well. I am good at maths. I am friendly, funny, and sure of myself. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, I'm Jana. I'm 10 years old and I have your secretary of case. I'm a good writer. I would help her. Jana, the case is the secretary. Vote me.
Hello, my name is Aya and I am not good at English, but I'm good calculator and have good memory. I am organized, responsible, full of ideas and creative.
Hello, my name is Adrián, and this is my candidature to be a good secretary. I'm so creative and I have a lot of imagination. I'm a responsible person, I like working team, I'm not afraid to speak in public, and I help my friends. If you vote me, I will do a lot of things. Go to meetings, write the new information, explain to the class the new information, distribute work, control help, then the team, prepare the material. Vote for me. I will not fail you.
I'm Carla and I want to be your KCC secretary. I want to be your secretary because I am good writer, good listener, tidy and organized, responsibility, and I have good letter. I will always be there by your side, listener and writer.